you're experiencing crashes while playing FIFA 24, there are several steps you can take to improve stability and performance. Follow these steps to help resolve the issue. Step 1. Update your game. Make sure that FIFA 24 is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that fix bugs and improve performance. Check for updates through your gaming platform and install any available patches. Step 2. Check system requirements. Verify that your computer or console meets the minimum system requirements for FIFA 24. If your hardware is below the required specifications, consider upgrading components or playing on a different device. Step 3. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings within the game. Reducing resolution, texture quality, and other visual effects can help decrease the load on your system, potentially reducing crashes. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching FIFA 24, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This can free up system resources and improve overall performance, reducing the likelihood of crashes. Step 5. Verify game files. If you're playing on a PC, use the game client like Origin or Steam to verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, which can resolve crashing issues. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce crashes and enjoy a smoother gaming experience in FIFA 24. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support forums or the game's customer service for further assistance.